Hi, I am Joy. In this video, we will know about the tools that we need for Django development. At first, we download the Python from the Python website, that is python.org. I'll download for my Windows, so download this 3.10.8 version. Wait for a few seconds until download it. Okay, it's downloading. Here are some different version, also you can download it. Okay, it's downloaded. Double click on it, click on run. Check at python.exe to path. Now install now. Wait a moment. Okay, now go to the djangoproject.com. Here are the pip install.django. 4.1.2 is the Django version. Actually, it's not necessary. If you write down the pip.install Django, it will install your machine the latest version of Django. Open command prompt and write copy pip install Django and paste here. Okay, hit enter. Wait few seconds. Here are some few versions, also you can download it. And 3.2. Okay, now we download VS Code for writing the Django project. Okay, I will write down this website link to my description. Download for Windows. Click on download. Okay, our download will be started soon and download complete. Okay, click on run, accept the agreement, next, and check add to path, create an desktop icon, next, install. Okay, done for it. Thanks for watching this video. In the next session we will know how to write down the Django code or our fast block in VS Code. Okay, thanks for now.